Hey guys, how you doing? I'm John from Tony's Plumbing. I've been getting a lot of questions whether this descaling machine that we have is better than a jetter. Well, today I'm going to tell you the answer. It's yes. The jetter that we have, it does great for cutting roots. When it comes to descaling, I have not come across a product that has done better for descaling than our high-speed descaler. So I get asked a lot, would I use this product in my own house? Actually, today we're going to be doing it in my own house. We have the slab here. There's a new tile. Unfortunately, there's a cast iron main line, and you can see that we have new cabinets here. The main line happens to run, of course, right underneath it. So those of you who have marble floors all know how big of a pain it is when somebody tells you you need to rip it up. Today, we're going to go ahead and use our ultra high-speed cleaner to descale it, and that way we can stop the soft clogs. Here we have the camera attached to our high-speed descaler. So you can see along the pipe wall all the scale buildup and exactly how that would catch toilet paper and cause soft blockages. Here we're running the high-speed descaler for about 2 seconds just so we can give you a comparison and you can see just how smooth the pipe comes out after being descaled. So here you can see the cast iron wall after the pipe has been descaled. As we pull back, you can see just how bad that scale buildup was.